All right, I'm here with Thomas Herman, workers' compensation specialist, law firm of Westmoreland, Patterson, Mosley, and Henson in Macon, Georgia. Thomas, this is a really simple question, but I think it's one that a lot of people don't know the answer to, and it's probably pretty important. So, if I get injured on the job, what should I do to notify my employer? I mean, what do I need to do to go about doing it? Let's just say I'm sitting here, or I'm, you know, I walk out the door. I did something while I'm working, and I hurt my arm going out the door. Um, that's a work-related injury. Do I just go and tell my immediate supervisor? Do I, as
Great
soon as,
question. Yeah, the notice requirement in Georgia law is important, but it's an easy threshold to step over. All you need to do is tell a supervisor, preferably your supervisor, but someone in a supervisory capacity, that you have a problem and that you think you need medical help or you've been injured. I mean, there's no magic words. All you need to do is make them aware of a problem, and then it's up to them to then inquire from you. What happened. Do you need medical treatment or not? And then process the claim from there. But there are no magic words. But the sooner you can notify your employer, the better. But absolutely, you've got to notify them within 30 days because that's the time limit under Georgia law.
so I can just notify them verbally, or does that have to be something in writing? I mean, does there have to be some documentation of the fact that I notified you on this day that I had been injured?
Legally, no. It can be from a legal standpoint, just telling your supervisor is sufficient notice. But obviously, following that up with a text or an email is always good to provide documentation that you provide your employer with that notification. And again, it's as simple as, "Hey, I bumped my elbow on the door." And to use your example, that's notice to your employer. You don't have to use magic words like, "I think this is an on-the-job injury," or "it's workers' comp," or anything of that nature. Just make them aware of a problem so that later on, if it turns out that there's more to it than just a bump of the elbow, you've provided them with the requisite notice.
All right, good information as always.
Scott, appreciate you asking.
All
Always
right,
chat.
all right. Thanks, Thomas.
Thank you.